climbing along rocks and diving into the sea. We go coasteering around a tiny Hong Kong island. This is Drone and Fern. Welcome to Drone and Fern, a brand new series. It's summertime, so it's time for us to ease off from the long walk and get wet.
That's right, it's a water adventure series, and the first episode that we're doing right now, we're on Lei Pai. We're going to do a bit of a coasteer. You had trouble with that last time. It's going to be quite a short one, easy to do. Give George a bit of a warm-up for what's to come later. Let's go.
Let's go! Summer has come and the weather is getting hotter. So we are taking a break from the mountainous trails and finding activities closer to the water. With almost 500 kilometers of coastline and plenty of gushing streams and waterfalls, Hong Kong has plenty of energetic things to do that will keep you outdoors without overheating. In this series, we take on 10 water adventures that can all easily be done in one day. We begin with a coasteering crest in the southern district of Hong Kong. We start at Lei Pai MTR station and walk to the end of Li Nam Road before setting off coasteering towards Lei Pai. This short stretch has plenty of informal infrastructure with ropes, bridges, and handholds erected to make the coasteering feel more like an obstacle course than a raw outdoor experience. If you're first time doing coasteering, this is the route I recommend.
He's not finished yet. Let's see how he does. There's a lot of engineering being done into this, but I've got to say, you've got to be careful. Although this is done to help people, it's not done or checked by safety people, and so with time, the ropes, the planks that we're walking on here, they can get eroded and can become loose. So always have a second option. Don't rely entirely on these ropes if you can avoid it, or double check them before you put any weight on them.
Hold tight and read the rocks. With the help of the ropes and planks, we followed the rocky coastline and reached the Lei Pai, an uninhibited island linked to the southern point of Lei Pai by a tombolo. From here, you look out directly to the South China Sea. With the warm summer waters at every inlet, you have the choice to either climb around the rocks or jump into the water and swim across. It should be just that, a choice, but with DJ, there's no option and I have to follow.
I'm serious! Come on! Oh, I grabbed my leg!
Wait. Come in. He's so sharp. Give me a hand. When it comes up, give me a hand. Okay, come up, stand up. Stand up. Yeah, I don't think it's difficult to do it when I'm filming at the same time. I'm sorry. Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
That's the longest 5 minutes in my life.
So what was the shark you saw?
Over there,
Yeah.
somewhere there. Just getting real close to me.
I did see a shark, I swear. I think that 1 minute in the sea has scarred me for life. So instead of taking the shortcut and swimming with DJ, I shall stick to the ridge and stay dry. Halfway round, we were joined by another adventurer.
So on the trail here today, we've met Wing He, who's been showing George a little bit about how to do it. Wing He, you come out here quite often. How often do you come out?
This is my fourth time already.
And how is coasting? Do you do a lot of coasteering or just hiking and?
Hiking and coast, everything. A bit of everything.
Thank you. Right, let's go and finish off this hike.
At the end of the island, there's a natural swimming pool just before the lighthouse. From the jetty, you can call a sampan to take you back to Aberdeen, or, as we did, continue round to complete the circle around the island. The going gets a little harder on the backside of the island, with a chance for some high cliff jumps and some high rock scrambles. Once back to the causeway, which links the two islands, you can either go back the way you came or up, as we did, for the steep climb up Mount Johnston. Encouraged by the near win against Stefan in the last episode, I challenged DJ to a race to the top, but once again...
Cut that part out. Cut that part out.
So this is the end of this episode. A really tough coasteering adventure.
It's not tough at all. It was a really nice introduction, particularly the first part. Really good infrastructure.
Yeah, that's true.
And when you were saying it was one of your favourite coasteers. You've done it before, right?
Sure. It's my third time already.
Third time.
Wow.
It's a great one indeed. Now we have some thanks.
Yeah, big shout out to Kailas. Thank you for sponsoring our equipment. And also, Sea-Log. Thank you for your bag.
Thanks for the bags. And of course, like and subscribe wherever you watch this. Please like and subscribe so you never get to miss an episode. My name is DJ Clark.
And I'm George.
I'm Wing.
And
This is Drone and Fun.
Yeah.
So you were loving this at the beginning, George. How are you feeling now?
I'm gonna take back my words. Don't come here.